Hey guys, just a quick video to show you some of the new release and upcoming dash cams available on the market. Past 12 to 18 months have been a bit limited when it comes to dash cam releases due to the global chip shortage. We're hoping to review these dash cams soon. First up, we've got the Viegera X9. This is an Ultra HD or 4K dash cam designed by an Aussie for Australian conditions. First thing noticeable is the heat dissipation on the casing, often overlooked by many dashcam manufacturers. Looking through the specs now, it's a case of what this dashcam doesn't have. Quick rundown of the specs: 2.7 inch screen, super capacitor, voice guidance, motion activated parking mode, GPS, Wi-Fi, and a 2-year warranty when registered online. This includes the SD card. It's got a Sony Starvis lens, front camera recording at 4K, 30 frames per second at 140 degree viewing angle. The rear's got a 1080p full HD, 30 frames per second. App functionality works great with both Android and iOS. For more information, check out the description. The release date is imminent, likely to be in Q4 this year. Next up, we've got the Uniden 50R 4K series dashcam. Uniden have opted for a barrel style camera this release. I must say I do prefer this style rather than the camera style iGo series. Fits much better behind a mirror. Recommended retail price for this unit is $499. A quick rundown of the specs: 4K front and 1080p rear camera at 30 frames per second, Wi-Fi, safety camera warnings, red light warning, energy saving parking mode. I did read in the specs it's G sensor activated, so not motion activated. 140 degree front lens, GPS, G sensor, 2-year warranty, 6 months on the SD card. Comes with a hardwire kit supplied, and it's got full app functionality. Next up is the iRoad FX2. This just released 2-channel dashcam is the latest from the popular iRoad range. It's a full HD 1080p 30 frames per second both front and rear recording dashcam. Let's check out the main features. New ADAS version 2 driver warning system, hyperlapse recording, it's 4 times more efficient, and then it switches back to 30 frames per second if you have impact. Time-lapse parking mode with energy saving and battery discharge feature, automatic light exposure, full app functionality, 140 degree viewing angle, front camera, and GPS. Thanks for watching guys, keep sending in your clips. Aussiecams over and out.